So we're now going to be going up our next skyscraper, which is the One World Observatory. And it looks like we're already getting into the entrance for the World One Observatory. Let's get ourselves inside. And there it is, the One World Observatory. Another tall skyscraper with a fast elevator ride up to level 102 waiting in the wings. And there it is, the elevators. One quick toilet break and we're going to go 102 floors up to the observation deck. And the elevators, wait until you see them. Let's go up. Now.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Level 102, 1,000 feet high up from the ground level, and wait until you see the great views of New York from up here. Firstly, we got ourselves a little pre-show which you can record, and in less than 2 minutes, these walls will open up and you'll see New York for miles on the 102nd floor.
And now, we invite you to enter One World Observatory through the doors on your right, where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
Check out those sparkling sights of New York. Also to mention that this is higher than the Empire State Building.
Look how small the Statue of Liberty looks. It looks literally like a toy Barbie.
Honestly, it feels like you just want to sit up here for hours or days to come. And that red building in the distance, that over there is the Empire State Building. We've been there a couple of days ago. Just before we came down here to the observation deck, we've been given these iPads which shows the major buildings and attractions when you're pointing your camera towards them. Down at the bottom is Manhattan Bridge, and right next to it is the Brooklyn Bridge from earlier. Honestly, you just can't take your eyes off those views. From 100 floors up, you get some of the best views of New York from this very tower. Right, let's go get ourselves a snack from the cafe up here on the observation deck. So up one floor to level 101, where we're just going to grab a drink from the One World Cafe, and also play another edition of Uno Flipping Around New York, this time on the One World Observatory observation deck.
Oh, we're flipping it there.
Flip over to the dark side. The first card is an orange, draw 5. Make that a draw 10. Sorry, Marlo.
That's a blow, Milo, isn't it? What are you doing there? It's purple, you joke.
Sorry, but we're on the light side, not the dark side.
You know what? Flip back to you. Hope you back to you.
Honestly, this has been the closest I've been to winning a game of Uno Flip on this city break. And yes, I still haven't won. And I made 3 out of 3 now. Now let's try and get Alan up from the floor.
Cool your head then. Honestly, we're not going to get a view like this again in the morning, because when we wake up it will be our last official day here in New York, and we certainly had a fantastic time exploring all of the major attractions and going up the skyscrapers and riding the subways. Everything that we've done has been absolutely fantastic from start to finish, and it's a shame that it's ending soon. But right now we're currently coming to an end from our visit here at the One World Observatory, as in a very short moment we're going to be getting the lift back down to the ground level, and we'll be going for our finals night dinner at the Jamie Gallagher pub.
So that was our final view of New York 100 floors up, as we're now getting the elevator back down.
Oh, it is. With your fingers, Milo, please.
Thank you for visiting One World Observatory.
What an incredible finale and experience at the One World Observatory. Definitely one not to be forgotten.